Hello, my name is Mitchell with Ideal Classic Cars, and today we'll be looking at the 1967 Shelby Cobra Shell Valley. This 1967 Shell Valley Cobra is like new, with only 1,100 miles since it was built. Powered by a strong 351 cubic inch V8 engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. If you're looking for a modern Cobra that is sure to get attention, this one will surely do it with its deep enough to swim in frost titanium paint with bold black stripes and a gorgeous chrome work sitting on bright polished aluminum wheels. The black interior is in beautiful shape and is accented very nicely by the wood Cobra steering wheel. Now for the moment we all been waiting for, let's start that engine. For more information on this vehicle, call 941-966-1900 or visit idealclassiccars.net. For the best way to finance your dream car, use JJ Best. Apply online now and get approved in 5 minutes for low rates and get your dream car. Be sure to call 1-800-USA-1965 or visit www.jjbest.com. Thanks for watching.